1 line up on 9 left wheel level 2. Thai 600 after departure contact approach 122.35, wind 340 degrees 7 knots clear for takeoff.
Thailand's aviation industry is among important factors driving country's economic development, especially as it endeavors to serve as the aviation hub of Southeast Asian region.
Quality personnel who meet the highest international standards is therefore a must for the aviation industry. To meet these requirements in Thailand, the Civil Aviation Training Center, or CATC, prides themselves on having the country's first and only full-scale aviation training center certified by the Department of Civil Aviation and the International Civil Aviation Organization, or ICAO. Thailand's Civil Aviation Training Center is the leader in providing education, quality personnel for the aviation industry. Since its establishment on June 4, 1961, the CATC, in collaboration with the United Nations Special Fund, UNSF, the International Civil Aviation Organization, ICAO, and the Thai government, has focused on developing various aviation training courses to stay abreast of developments. And as the department assumed greater responsibilities, in 1992 it was upgraded to be a state enterprise under the Ministry of Transport. To this day, CATC has produced over 20,000 aviation personnel from 78 different countries worldwide. CATC's training courses are divided into two categories: ground training and flight training, which are offered at undergraduate levels for diploma and bachelor's degree. Civil Aviation Training Center Thailand also offers training courses and intensive professional programs to those already working in related fields who wish to further their studies. All courses are conducted in English.
Ground training courses are an instrumentary force for the aviation industry, with emphasis on flight operation safety.
CATC also offers 3 basic courses at diploma level, which are Aircraft Maintenance, Airframe and Power Plant. The course is taught by the Division of Aircraft and Engines and covers basic knowledge of aircraft, airframe and structure, engines, and aviation law and regulations. The course is a requirement stated in the ICAO Training Manual and is conducted under the supervision of the Air Safety Division, the Department of Civil Aviation. The Aircraft Maintenance, Aircraft Instruments course focuses on aircraft avionics by studying aircraft electrical systems and flight instruments, including navigational guidance control systems. The Communications Maintenance course deals with aviation communications and electronics, including maintenance of aircraft and ground stations communication equipment. As for the bachelor's degree recognition, ground training program with Bachelor of Technology in Aviation are offered within 3 programs, namely Air Traffic Management Program, studies of the management of air traffic to ensure safety and efficiency in air navigation. Airport Management Program studies the techniques of airport management to ensure safety and high service standards at airports. Air Cargo Management Program focuses on the management of air cargo to cater to the increasing needs of domestic and regional air cargo. In addition, a Bachelor of Science program in Aviation Electronics is also offered, with a focus on maintenance supervision and electronic system modification to meet ICAO's international standards, the first program of its kind to be offered in Asia. Each field of study takes 4 years to complete. CATC also offers 2-year continuing programs in airport management and air cargo management, as well as a program in aviation electronics to those students who have graduated with a diploma or those who wish to further their studies. Moreover, CATC provides specialized training programs such as air traffic control license and rating, which includes skill enhancement programs for air traffic controllers. These training programs, which are offered on a regular basis, provides the basic foundation for operation officers. CATC's air training programs are carried out at its Hua Hin Training Center, Prachuap Khiri Khan Province, and Khon Kaen Airport in Khon Kaen Province. The 4 courses comprise Commercial Pilot License Aeroplane, Private Pilot License Aeroplane, Commercial Pilot License Helicopter, Private Pilot License Helicopter, Other specialized courses include Instrument Flying Rating, Multi-Engine Rating, and Flight Instructor Rating programs. The flight training facility in Hua Hin also serves as an aircraft maintenance center, staffed by maintenance division officers who provide maintenance services to aircraft. Practical training courses are also offered to students who wish to apply for a Ground Maintenance Officer License Type 2.
CATC offers comprehensive training programs to boost development of the domestic aviation industry.
Civil Aviation Training Center, Thailand, was the first in ICAO's 46 member countries to develop a standardized training package for interviewers and raters to assess the English language proficiency of pilots and air traffic controllers, ATC, according to standards set by ICAO. With its readiness in training, producing, and developing aviation personnel for almost half a century, CATC has produced graduates, both Thai and foreigners, for almost 80 countries worldwide.
With its role and record of performance, Civil Aviation Training Center Thailand is well trusted and recognized. It will continue to develop and modernize its training program and continue to produce quality aviation personnel to serve the future needs of the regional transportation and the international aviation hub.